Hello everyone, this is the Lumos bike helmet. There's a couple options you guys can get from the listing, but you guys can take a look there. I know a lot of you guys actually just want to see the product, so that's what we're doing. We're jumping right into the product. The great thing with this helmet is you can add tons of accessories, which I love. This is nice. So this one already has built in, take a look at that. Couple settings. Wow. And press and hold to turn it off. That's awesome. I love that it's built in. Alright, let's take off some more accessories. Okay, so this is the helmet. Now, this works a little different. So you push it and you slide it to the sides to unclamp it. And then you can just simply line it up and it snaps in place. Let's go ahead and turn this back on. Once you get familiarized, it'll be easier. So you guys see, you have the headlight flashing, slow flash, and on. You have your lenses right here that just simply pops up and pops down, which I absolutely love. It did come with some more accessories, which is probably your charging cable. Alright, so they give you your manual charging cable. You actually can control this here as well. So if you're turning left, you just press this button. If you're turning, well, that's right. But you press the button and then press it again to stop it, which is really awesome. So if we're going left, we can go left. If we're going right, we can just press the button. That is amazing. So that's just with this little remote. Charging cables in here, manuals in here. The quality's nice. You can adjust. So on the back here, you can actually adjust the tightness by just twisting this or loosening it up. So this adjusts your actual helmet. I mean, this is really nice, guys. Like, this is nice. Everything's just right there to go. Like, you don't have to get all these accessories and be like, gotta put this here, put that there. Everything is good to go. Like, what more could you absolutely want? And on the back, we can go and press and hold. Turn everything off. Just like that. Good job, company. Good job.